Greetings, welcome to the latest updates for the latest news within South Africa. Good evening. Our latest and saddest news of this hour is that Menzin Ngubane has passed on. This has been confirmed by the SABC, and this is what they said. They said veteran actor Menzin Ngubane has passed away. Ngubane had a long career as an actor, having starred in productions such as Generations, The Queen, and many others. This came as a shock to many of us. We knew that he's been struggling with kidney and he was on dialysis for quite some time, but this was just something that we never expected. This is so sad indeed. We're sending our heartfelt condolences to Ngubane's family and South Africa at large. That will be all from my side. In the next slide, I'll also insert a few comments coming from social media. You may check what people are saying regarding this. That will be all from my side. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you again in the next update. Bye.